Hello there everybody. You joined me at a rather unusual occasion. I've had to ditch a bus early. We're at Mearside. We're just by the old windmill, which is just over my shoulder behind those trees there. And we are going to catch the final of the Blackpool Transport fleet, the Mercedes Citaro. Because anyone who knows me knows I love a Citaro. So we're hoping it'll be the next bus on the 3 that's going to arrive any moment. I might do full route. Yeah, because I get it at 10 past, so I can get a tram up. Yeah, I should be alright. Plenty of time. Plenty of time, he says. So, yeah, let's wait for this Citaro. It's number 555. And I've got a feeling it's going to be very, very loud. Here it comes. Look at this now. I love you, my Citaros. My happy place. So some of the features here on the O295 Citaro. This is the baby Citaro. Hold on. Oh, that's naughty. We have charging points. One for each seat, although some charging points are not at some seats. There's a rather unusual charging point right there for some reason, and we also have the next stop passenger display as well. No phone holders, but Citaros do come with bells at the side of our buses as well as in your standard place. Oh, this is my happy place. This is my happy place. So these buses here, the 15-plate Mercedes-Benz Citaro O295. Originally, there was a batch of 10 of them. They were 550 through to 549. Sorry, 559. However, 5 of those are now no longer operational. One is a trainer bus, and 555 to 559 still operate. However, 559 is the other one that's out today with 555. The others are VOR and have been VOR for a very, very long time. But those who know me knows how much I just love a Citaro.
See you on board. This festive season, why not make Blackpool Transport your go-to? As the official transport partners of Christmas by the Sea, we're here to get you there. Download our app or visit the website for more.
No problem. Fire it up. Right then, it's time for the Wi-Fi test, see if the Wi-Fi works. Oh, that's naughty. Oh, get ready, speed bump. Right. See if it connects. Yeah, this is my ticket I've had for the whole trip here. 3-day ticket, £18.50. Have you hooked straight on? It certainly has. Oh, that's good. That is good to know. Who is Daniel Taylor? I can pick up your Wi-Fi from here. Who the hell is Haji? I can pick up your Wi-Fi as well. Lovely thing, this. Yeah, something tells me that side has had enough for the day. To be honest, I don't blame it. For sale. Come up to a hill in a second. Just took the hill with no effort at all. Apparently there's a university on this route. Project of Management Centre of Excellence. That sounds like a great place for me right there.
Palatine Road.
I know we're getting off now, yeah. Just letting everyone else get off first. Just waiting for us to start. Yeah.
Red phone, yeah, perfect. Cheers. Thank you. I got my thing as well. Gives me a chance to get a thumbnail of this thing. Because this was a beast. And there she is, folks, the beast that will always be. The Mercedes-Benz Citaro. What a bus! What a bus! Honestly, I do like my Citaros, and it will be a shame that Blackpool Transport get rid of them all, because I honestly think that you know, there could have been hope, but unfortunately they're starting to go electric, and the old Citaros just don't have a place in the fleet anymore. I think it is a case they're either big converted to trainers or they're going to scrap. So, and believe it or not, that bus is not even 10 years old. Amazing. Anyway, that's going to end my Blackpool stuff. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. Thank you to the members as well. Your continued support of the channel does mean the absolute world for me. If you want to be a member like everyone else, it's $3.99 for a membership. You get the vlogs early, you get shouted out at the end of videos, and what could be better? So that's going to do it for Blackpool now. I've exhausted them. So next up for us, well, I don't know. I think I've got Avanti diverts in the future, but we'll have to wait and see. So until then, folks, thank you all. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you all next time.